Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am here today to do two things. I got a gift from my friend Pat. She is a wonderful friend of mine from YouTube, and you probably follow her channel already. Pat Garza is her name. She's a reseller like I am. She does it full time. I only do it part time, but I'm a reseller. She's a reseller. I got to know her on YouTube and we are good friends. We've gotten together twice and we will again sometime soon. So anyway, she sent me something because she's wonderful and she wouldn't let me pay for it, which is very kind of her. And then I'm going to open a fun box. So yay for that. All right, so let's get going. This is what I got from Pat, and I've been just waiting. You know how packages just kind of sit there and taunt you? Like they just wait, sit there calling your name. Yeah, that's what this one has been doing. So let's see if I can get this thing open. I think I need like a scissors or something. Let's see. So while I'm doing this, don't forget about February 7th is a collaboration that I'm in. It is a Valentine's Day 15-piece jewelry unboxing. So I do have mine already recorded and up. It's on my channel, so if you want to go follow that now and get a reminder, I would love to have you there. We'll be there chatting with everybody, so it's always so much fun. So, and there's some great, my friends and creators in there. So, all right, let's see if we can get this open. See what I got from Pat. I think she said it was some. She said she was going to send me some hair products, which I'm always open for because I do a heck of a lot with my hair. And it was this necklace I wanted and she wouldn't let me pay. Oh my gosh, this is so, wait till you, this is what I requested. I wanted to buy it from her, but she wouldn't let me pay for it. Look at this. It actually goes great with what I have on right now. This is absolutely gorgeous. Might be my new favorite thing. I love this. I'm wearing this right now. I can't even believe this matches with what it looks amazing with what I'm wearing, which is this Pilcrow from Anthropologie sweatshirt. Love it. Thank you so much, Pat. Oh my gosh, I can't believe you wouldn't let me pay for it. So then I wanted the necklace, so she sent me the necklace, no charge, and then she also said, I have some hair products for you, which was super nice. So I will be trying these. Let's just see what we've got. It's a whole line of products. I had gotten some products from Jamie, and that's what I have been using is Biolage. And it has worked really well. My hair seems, really soft. And today I actually curled it. Believe it or not, when I curl my hair, it becomes straight because my hair is really curly. Okay, so it says I'll open it up. Trelux. Boy, oh boy, they taped it good. Smooth and Restore. So this, Smooth and Restore, I won't open it all the way right now, and then I got this Refine Curl Styling Cream, and it's Trelux. Nice. I'm excited to try it. If nothing else, I like to have one or two or three different kinds of products because your hair kind of gets used to one product and it builds up on your hair. And it's nice to have another really good product to go to, and I can tell this is going to be really nice. There's this one too. Let's see, what is this? This one I actually can get open. Fort Knox here. All right, this one is High Definition Curl Enhancer Styling Gel. So, Pat, that is so generous of you. I am starting a box for Pat that I'm going to send to her. So, Anyway, thank you so much, Pat. I am super excited to try these hair products. I will definitely be making use of them. I'm always doing stuff with my hair. So, right now, I curled it today. I put a little extra time into it, so I'm liking it today. But, it's day by day, sometimes hour by hour. All right, fun box. Here it is. Here is that fun box. I'm going to open up. This is a fun box, which is from ThredUp, from items that they could not or did not sell. Sometimes I think they're just like, I don't know what to do with it. Let's put it in the old fun box. That's what it seems like. Sometimes I just go, where in the heck did they get this thing? But that is That's how it goes. Okay, let's just see. So it is, make sure that's what I have here. Yeah, Fun Box, 10 items. With shipping and tax, it comes to $50, which is about 5 items each. But that's kind of not accurate because we all know they put more than one, like they'll put a few items in a bag and call it one item. All right, so there, nothing in the preview except for paper. But then we're gonna go like this. This is the first look. Huh. All right, I see some. I see some slippers. I see some slippers. Let's see, from National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation from the Pottery Barn. This is great. Actually, Pottery Barn is no joke. Pottery Barn has great stuff. And by the way, it's not cheap. So these slippers, let's see, Pottery Barn Christmas Lampoon's Vacation. Aunt Bethany, there is the tag. Here are the slippers. Let's see. It's a day of how do I get this open? How do I get this thing open? That's the kind of day I'm having. Oh my gosh, these are so funny. It's the Christmas lights, like from Christmas, Christmas Vacation, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. All right, so this is funny. It's got an animal, like it's got the eyes, and let me just see. It says Aunt Bethany's cat slippers. They're size medium. Let's see. It doesn't say what a medium is, but a medium, I believe, is a size 7, 8, or 7 to 9, or somewhere in there. 8 and 9. They look I would say /8/9 is what I would say they are. So, yeah, they're cute. They're really cute. And it's a great time of year to have slippers. Trust me on that one. I don't know where you are, but heck, even my mother-in-law in Florida said it was 32 the other day when she woke up. That is awfully cold for down there. So, all right, now we got the token headbands. We got a whole bucket of headbands. All right, we got a bag of them. All right, the first one up is this gold lame headband. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. There's the gold lame. It's got a cute bow on the top, or not. It's got a knot. I'm sure it's not leather, but it's made to look like leather. Oh my heavens. This is so cute. This is just beautiful. Can't read what this text says, but this won't be something cheap, I'll tell you that. That is just gorgeous. Look at that. I don't think it's missing any. Let's see. Yeah, it might be. No, it might be missing. I don't know. I don't know if that was meant to be full of gems or not. I don't know. I don't know what the design. Oh, no, maybe no. I don't think it was. I don't think there are any missing because it's a consistent design on each side. So I don't know what this would not surprise me if this was an Anthropologie item, but I'm not able to see it. So we've got that. We've got this headband, which is kind of like an animal print from Francesca's, which is now not open anymore, right? Francesca's? I don't think there is any more Francesca's. I think at least most of them closed, if not all of them, Francesca's. All right, so if these 3 items come in this little bag, that would be item number 2. I think they're pretty good. I think I'm gonna find that this one is something expensive, but we'll see. We'll see. All right. The next thing up is this animal print look belt. It's kind of like a tiger print, or zebra print is more like it. It's made to look a little bit like zebra, fur or hair, whatever you call it. I don't know. It's probably a larger size. I don't know if it's a double wrap one. I don't know. It's really cool though. Look at this. The material really looks like real fur. It's not though. I'll have to give you the measurements for that, but yeah. Okay. I never have been able to sell belts much from these boxes. Usually I just donate them. So if you want a belt, there you go. All right. These socks are made for me and I will be keeping them. People I want to meet. Number 1, dogs. There we go. I love dogs. Look at how cute these are. They're so cute. People I want to meet. Number 1, dogs. And then that's it. That's the only thing on the list. So cute. I'm keeping these. They're really cute. All right, next up is, wow, this seems like a Kind of a small box. Okay, La Linea pajamas in a size small from Target. La Linea for Target. I think La Linea is a nice an upper scale brand name, and it's these pajamas. They're buttoned down front. They're kind of a satiny button front pajamas. They're long sleeves. And that is the top, and let's make sure the bottom matches that it's also the same size. It is. So these are not worn. They're unworn. The pant bottoms look like that. They're a size small, elastic waist. They're really, really cute. They're kind of a pretty shimmery brown. And La Linea for Target. I don't know. La Linea is not a brand name I know very well, but they're very nice. So size small. We sure get a lot of size smalls in these boxes. Anyway, all right. Next up is another belt from Anthropologie. Ooh. Oh, this is not a belt. This is a purse strap, I think. Let's see. This is gorgeous. This is really, really gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, it's beaded. Look at this. Look, it's beaded, and it looks to be in perfect condition. It still has the tag. Price tag says $38. This is gorgeous. It is absolutely stunning. It is a purse strap. And yeah, it's gorgeous. I love it. I'm probably not going to keep it. I really don't need that. Unless I find a reason to need it. Let's just see. Okay. Well, next up is size 4 Assets by Spanx. Shaping shears. Shaping shears. Size 4 is 5'4" to 6 feet. 180 pounds to 220 pounds. Basically, it's shaping sheer pantyhose. So it's a great size. They're full-length pantyhose too, by the way. They're not leggings that only go down to your ankles. Yeah, these are great. No dig comfort waistband, shaper targets tummy, hips, thighs, premium yarns, and flawless legs. Well, now that sounds like a good deal if you ask me. So yeah, no idea what they cost, but I know Spanx makes great products. I don't know about Assets by Spanx. I think it's like a diffusion brand of theirs, but anyway, okay. All right, next up is this bag, which is, ooh, it's an insulated bag, looks like. Huh, weird. But it's 31 brand. Remember 31? I don't know if they still do parties or not. They used to be like, they sell bags and stuff, and you'd have parties, and yeah. So 31, it looks unused, and it's zip top. Let's see, zipper works good. On the inside is, it's got like that, like the kind of thing that would, like a refrigerated bag kind of thing that you'd get at Aldi's or Trader Joe's. Yeah, and there's only one thing left. So yeah, I mean, it hasn't been the best, but it hasn't been the worst box. The last thing is this. Donna Dixon. Never heard. Donna Dixon. Okay, this bag, it's got this tag on it, and it's got like, I think it's real bamboo. Real bamboo. I love the pattern. I love this pattern. And then this is the inside. Donna Dixon. It's like a linen material. There is some discoloration like right here. So even though it's new with tags, it does have a couple discolor spots. But here, I'm going to show you so you can have your own look. You can't really tell much. It's very clean for the most part. And then here is the tag, Donna Dixon, and it says Stella Bamboo Clutch. Retail price $75. See if you can kind of see through that. $75. Yeah, I don't know. There's also a discolor right here. So it's just from being stored, I'm sure. This is really, really adorable. Like, and it's magnetic, by the way, too. So it just kind of does that. And it's just a clutch bag. So I like it. I like it. Okay, we've got this. We've got the 31 insulated bag. We've got the Assets by Spanx, which is about a size XL. We have got these size small pajamas, La Linea for Target. Oh, I missed one thing. Okay, it's a pin. I like pins. Some of them. Don't know what this one is, but I have to Go buy myself another pair of eyes so I can read what it says. This pin, I don't know what this is, but it's pretty. It's kind of neat looking. Is that an olive? I don't know. I don't know what that's meant to be, but that's... Okay, and then we've got the purse strap by Anthropologie, brand new. The socks I'm going to keep. The leather belt, I'm going to have to get you measurements on that. The 3 hair product things. And I think last but not least is the Christmas vacation size medium slippers, which are adorable with the little lights on them. All right, that was a little bit of a random box. But anyway, if you're interested in buying anything, please do send me an email to mysteffstyle@gmail.com. Shipping will be $6 for as many items as you care to buy from this box. So that's a little bit of a shipping discount because it will definitely cost more for me to ship. I'll cover the difference. So if you like my content, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a giveaway on Saturday, so make sure you tune in for that, and it's a pretty good giveaway too. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and thank you again, Pat, for the wonderful gift, and have a wonderful day.